Hello children, welcome to Kids Academy. Today in this video we will learn about some common things around us. So are you ready to begin? Let us see what we will be learning. Today we will be learning about some common flowers, some common fruits, some common vegetables, domestic animals, and wild animals. Let us first begin with some common flowers. Rose. Rose is the king of all flowers. It smells very sweet and it comes in many colors such as white, orange, pink, yellow, and many more. Be careful, children, when you go near the rose plant because it has sharp thorns. Perfumes are also made with roses. Now let us have a look at the sunflower. Sunflowers are very big. They are yellow. They turn towards the sunlight during the day. And that is how they have got their name. We also get sunflower oil from its seeds. Now let us have a look at the marigold. Marigolds are very bright colored flowers. They are usually orange and yellow. We use them to decorate our houses during festivals. Now let us see the tulips. Tulips grow throughout the year. They are bright and showy colorful flowers. We often decorate them inside the bouquets. That was all about flowers. Now let us begin with fruits. It's time for some yummy mangoes. Mango is the king of all fruits. It has one big seed inside it. It tastes really sweet when ripe. It has many varieties. Mangoes are grown during summers. Grandpa makes yummy pickle from it. I'm sure you must have tasted yummy mango milkshake too. Now let us have a look at the apple. An apple is red or green and is very sweet and healthy. Apples also have plenty of seeds inside them. There is a famous saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So remember, children, to munch an apple every day to keep yourselves healthy. Now let us have a look at our very own banana. Hi, I'm Banana. Banana is a yellow fruit which is packed in a jacket. It grows in bunches. You can peel and eat it. It gives you lot of energy and is rich in minerals. You can eat it ripe or raw when it is cooked. Now let us have a look at the orange. Hi, I'm an orange. I'm a fruit and the name of a color too. I can taste sour and tangy. I'm sometimes sweet as well. I'm rich in vitamin C. My peel is dried and often used as a beauty product. Like an apple, I too have many seeds inside. Also look at the shape of the orange, children. It is almost round. Now let us have a look at some vegetables. This is our very own potato. Hello, I'm a potato. Children love to eat me. You can make yummy French fries with potatoes, and they give you a lot of energy. Potatoes are grown all over the world, and they come in all sizes. It is brown and it grows under the ground. Now let us have a look at the red tomatoes. Tomatoes are red, juicy vegetables. It keeps your heart healthy. It is tangy and sweet and adds taste to all the recipes that your mommy makes. It is a very popular thing which comes in the form of sauce and ketchup. So next time when you have French fries, you can team it with tomato sauce or ketchup too. But make sure you don't eat too much of it. Now let us have a look at the carrot. Carrots are orange or red. They keep your eyes healthy. It is very crunchy and sweet. Mommy makes yummy stew and juice from carrots. Remember, you can add them to your salads too. It has a shape of a triangle or just like an ice cream cone. Now it's time for the onion. Hello, I'm an onion. I add taste to all the vegetables that Mommy cooks. I come in form of bulbs. I have a pungent smell. I'm really sorry to make you cry. You can find rings when you cut me. Now children, let us have a look at some animals around us. Animals can be domestic, like cat, horse, a dog, or a cow. Domestic animals are kept in farms or in houses. They love to be with human beings. Whereas wild animals love to be in the forest or jungle. They move around or hunt for their food. For example, the leopard or the cheetah, the lion, and tiger. Let us have a look at the domestic animals now. This is a cow. They are domestic animals. The baby of a cow is called a calf, and it loves to munch on green grass and hay. Some cows have patches on their bodies. They are white, black, or brown in color. They have horns and they live in sheds or barns. They give us milk too. Now it's time for Doggy the dog. Dogs are domestic animals too, and they are very faithful. Some keep them as pets. The young one of a dog is called a puppy. They live in kennels. They have very sharp sense of smell and guard our houses from thieves and robbers. They love to eat bones. Now let us have a look at the wild animals. Who is this? Oh, this is a lion. Lions are wild animals. They are the king of the jungle. They are very strong and hunt animals for their food. The baby of a lion is called a cub. Lion has hair all around its face, which is called a mane. This is what makes it look different from all other animals and makes it the king of all. Now let us have a look at our national animal. Yes, children, tiger is our national animal. It has beautiful black stripes all over its body. They love to live in forests or deep jungles. They have sharp claws and teeth, and they prefer to hunt at night. The baby of a tiger is called a cub. And it can run really fast. Now it's time for some activity. Collect some shells or beads or buttons. Paint them and dry them in the sun. Make a flower or a fruit or a vegetable with it. And finally, paste it in your scrapbook. So happy activity! Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.